Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We have an A, B, and a C toward the upside for the bullish scenario. Finished 3 waves and looking for 3 waves toward the downside later on, and of course continuation toward the upside as the first bullish scenario. The second bullish scenario is that you have 1, 2 and another 1, 2, and then you're looking for 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside. A third bullish scenario, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 a leading diagonal, however, very low possibility, and that because, of course, this wave 3 took the 1 to 1 fib level taken from the wave 1, meaning the wave 3 might be, of course, a little bit longer than your wave 1, which reduced so much the possibility of a leading diagonal. In your bearish scenario currently, you have a short bearish scenario and a longer bearish scenario. The first short bearish scenario is just finishing the 3 waves toward the downside here inside this blue box, and then continuation for the bullish scenario already mentioned a few minutes ago. In a bigger short-term bearish scenario or bearish scenario is a bigger wave C toward the downside as A, B, and a C reaching, of course, the 0.618 and then moving for bullish from there. However, this is a very, very low possibility so far. We need, of course, to break a lot of resistance and supports first to come to this area, and of course we might be very bullish from this area first between the $75 and the $50 for Solana. Now if we take a look closer here, if we're looking for an A, B, and a C, you would like to see an impulse, of course, inside this wave here, and this is exactly what we got. Let's move inside it on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, of course, from the top we are looking at double 1-2s for Solana here, where you have start, of course, a wave 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finish, of course, the wave 1, 2 first, and then another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then now you are in the last wave 5, where you would like to reach, of course, the blue box here between the 1 to 1 fib level and 0.618, of course, taken from this wave 1 here. Meaning currently we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as an impulse for a wave A, and then of course moving for higher for a wave B. If we dive a little bit deeper inside this impulse on the 1-hour chart, we can see, of course, on the 1-hour chart inside this impulse we are very, very close to the invalidation of this impulse toward the downside. Meaning if we take this wave 1 here, if we take this wave 1 price, and what's going on with the snap? Here we go. Invalidation of bearish. Invalidation of a bearish. And this is, of course, the price expected for the invalidation. And that means for the invalidation means, of course, looking for higher already. If we don't continue with the wave 4 and a 5, meaning you took basically the low and you're looking for high here, potentially after considering that this is a W, X, and a Y, yeah, so this is what it might transform in case of invalidation at $130 for Solana. Now if we take closer look here to see what we have, of course, basically as most of the crypto market right now, it might be, of course, in a double 1-2 or in a leading diagonal or a bigger 1-2. So as you can see, this is, of course, impulsive wave, and A, B, and C can be, of course, in case you are still looking for lower, you will continue down, and in case you are impulsive in double 1-2 here, you're looking, of course, for higher in potentially double 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? Another scenario can be in 1, A, B, and a C for wave 2, and continuation as well towards the upside. Now currently higher potential, of course, because of the market and the influence of the news today that we might have. So be careful with it. We might have some news in a few minutes from now, and it is very, very interesting inflation rate, which it might affect the market so much. So be careful, especially with this trade war. It might be, of course, very, very volatile, guys. If we take a closer look at KGT as well, as you can see on KGT, the 5-minute chart, we have a buy signal here, and of course kind of like a divergence. If we get the weaker signal, you will see, of course, the bullish signal here in almost a very nice divergence. But don't forget that we have as well on the weaker signal some bearish that it might, of course, turn toward the downside during the news. So be careful with it. and trade safe, of course. If you are interested in a render as well, you can find render updated on X account for the bullish and bearish scenario as well. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.